Molly, the creator of All About Marathon Training and the running coach who designed all of the Break a Time Goal in the Marathon training plans. So they are all 16 weeks in length. And I wanted to be very transparent and show you what you get when you purchase one of these plans. The structure is very similar, even though the time goals that you could choose to break are different and what you will implement is slightly different. However, what you are getting is very similar. So I'm going to show you the break 4 hours in the marathon here. As you can see, once you purchase your training plan, you will be given 2 versions to download. You could choose the miles or the kilometers depending on what you work with. Once you pick which one you would like to work with, you then can download your training package. You could also just access your training package right here on your dashboard. There's a welcome section. I give you my contact information if you have any questions along the way. I'm always so happy to help you out. I have a goal sheet for you to reflect on. We break down your training paces that you need to hit the sub 4 hour mark. We talk about your weeks and how they will look. So in this particular training plan, we have a base building phase, we have a strengthening phase, we have an endurance and speed training phase, and then we wrap it all up with a tapering and a carbo loading phase where we're focusing more on mentally and nutritionally prepping for your race. I lay out how your weekdays will look like, so Sunday through Saturday, although you can modify this and make the days work for you and your schedule. Here are some explanations of all the runs that are included on your training plan. I break it down and I tell you how each run should be performed, and I give you the training paces for each run so that you can hit that time goal. So you're training specifically for that time goal, and you need to do it by running specific workouts at specific paces. So it's all laid out here. As you can see, we have easy runs, base runs, or volume building runs. We have hill sprints and hill repeats. There are tempo runs, interval workouts where we focus on running mile, and in some of the training plans, 2-mile interval repeats. And there is a long section on the long run because there are actually 2 types of long runs scheduled on your training plan. There's goal race pace long runs and progressive style long runs, which are wonderful for getting you ready to hit your time goals. There are also strides that are included. I give you suggestions for cross training during this training plan, and rest days, which are huge, huge when you're doing an intensive training plan such as this. Here are some pacing tips because you have to have some tips in your back pocket if you are wanting to break a time goal. And then ta-da, here's your marathon training plan, color-coded depending on the phase of training that you are in and the running workout that is scheduled, so you can kind of see at a glance how it is all laid out and what work you have ahead of you. Here are some tips for modifying this training plan because I'm a big believer in making it work for you and for your schedule, and a nice inspirational quote at the end. So I hope this is the marathon training plan of your dreams. I can't wait to hear how you crushed it at the finish line, and I am so excited to get to work with you.